BTS members' nature. Namjoon have beautiful heart, he respect other person best leader. Jin always protect his young brothers and lovely with armies. Suga caring his young brother and lovely nature. J-Hope have kind amazing things. He shared love their army and all members. Jimin is charming heart and kind person. He is free-minded. Taehyung is love children and he have kind personality. He is best friend armies. Jungkook gets emotional seeing his Youngs cry. He is one person who funny all time, and he loved to teasing his Youngs loving his sweet armies.